In this video, I will show you how to update your Windows 11 to latest version. So click on Start, then Settings, and here click on Windows Update. Now here you will find option to update. If here is the option download, so just click on it, and once downloading process complete, click on Restart now. So this is the method you can update your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you. And guys, here you can see this is the 1st January 2024 and update for .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8.1 for Windows 11, and it's the version 23H2 for this is the complete series, and also one update available for this one, and this is the series and version number. So just you have to restart. It will take as we can see it's show estimate 3 minutes, so it will take some times, and it will auto restart for few times. So make sure you have complete battery and restart. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.